Welcome to Lesson 13 of our AI Operator School. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic. ChatGPT can be wrong, and it is our job as AI operators to catch those errors. The goal isn't just to find an answer, it is to know why you should trust it. While AI can find information incredibly fast, remember that fast doesn't always mean true. Verifying your results is essential for building confidence and credibility. Remember, speed is power, but verification is wisdom. It is important to understand that a search result is not the same as a verified fact. Finding the initial information is only the first step in your research process. To be a skilled AI operator, you must master these 4 essential skills. Search to find it, identify the source, follow the citation to connect the claim, and finally, verify the evidence. When evaluating information, think of it as a quality ladder. Start with the strongest sources like official documentation and release notes. Then move down to independent testing and community reports as needed. It is also vital to distinguish between primary and secondary sources. Primary sources provide the original information, while secondary sources explain or report on those originals. Remember, being a secondary source doesn't necessarily mean the information is bad. When checking a citation, follow these 5 steps. Locate the source, open it, check the author, verify the date, and confirm that it actually supports the claim. A citation being present does not mean the claim is verified. Let's look at a real-world demonstration. When you ask for information, first note the citation, then follow that link to the source, and finally verify the information provided. Time for our first check. If you need current ChatGPT feature information, where should you look first? Your options are a social media comment, the official OpenAI documentation, or an old forum post. The correct answer is B, the official OpenAI documentation. Always prioritize the official source for accurate product claims. For our second check, imagine a search snippet makes a claim but you haven't opened the source yet. Is this information verified? Yes or no? The answer is no. A search snippet is not the full source. You must always click through and read the actual source first. Third check. If ChatGPT gives you an answer with a citation, should you trust it automatically? Option A, yes, or option B, open it and check it. The answer is B. A citation is simply a path to evidence. You must still verify it yourself. Remember, having a citation does not confirm the claim. To summarize, before you trust any answer, follow these steps. Search, open, check, compare, and cite. Always remember that a confident-sounding answer is not necessarily a correct one. Thank you for watching this lesson. To master your skills, keep practicing these verification steps. Like, subscribe, and keep learning as you continue your journey here at the AI Operator School.